Welcome. Let me ask you something. Are you pouring hours into your email marketing, crafting what you think are great emails, only to be met with disappointing open rates, minimal clicks, and a list that just isn't growing the way you hoped? Maybe you're stuck using a free tool that feels limiting. You can't segment properly, the automations are basic, and you desperately need landing pages but don't want another subscription. Or perhaps you've looked at the big-name platforms, saw the complex features and hefty price tags, and felt completely overwhelmed. You know, email marketing is crucial for building relationships, nurturing leads, and driving sales. But actually making it work feels like a constant uphill battle. You need something powerful, but also intuitive and affordable. Something that helps you connect with the right people at the right time with the right message, without needing a marketing degree or a massive budget. Well, today we're diving deep into a platform that aims to be exactly that solution, AWeber Plus. Is this the affordable powerhouse email marketing tool you've been searching for to truly scale up your efforts? We're going to break down exactly what AWeber Plus offers, who it's for, its key features, the real benefits for your business, and whether it's truly worth that attractive sub-20 per month price point. This might just be the key to unlocking your email marketing potential. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty details, I've got something special for you. If you're already thinking AWeber Plus might be the right fit, or you just want to follow along, you can grow your business with AWeber Plus for less than $20 a month using my exclusive link right below in the video description. Seriously, for less than the cost of a couple of fancy coffees, you get access to a suite of professional tools designed to make a real impact. It's an incredible value, and that link is waiting for you down below. Check it out. Okay, let's get into what makes AWeber Plus tick.
Another solid choice for email marketing is AWeber. One of AWeber's key strengths is its high deliverability rates. This means your emails are more likely to land in your subscribers' inboxes, not their spam folders. AWeber also connects with over 850 apps, including popular ones like WordPress, Shopify, and PayPal. This makes it really easy to integrate with the tools you're already using. And the email editor is user-friendly too.
So, what is AWeber Plus fundamentally? It's AWeber's paid tier designed specifically for small to medium-sized businesses, creators, and entrepreneurs who are ready to move beyond the basics and seriously leverage email marketing for growth. It bridges the gap between overly simplistic free plans and expensive, complex enterprise solutions. The core idea is to provide powerful, professional-grade features in an accessible, easy-to-use package, allowing you to automate workflows, personalize communication, grow your audience effectively, and ultimately drive more revenue, all without the overwhelm. It's positioned as your all-in-one hub for smarter email marketing and list building. Feature 1, email marketing and templates. All right, let's talk features, starting with the heart of any email platform, creating emails. AWeber Plus offers a really intuitive drag-and-drop email builder. This means you don't need any coding skills to design professional-looking emails that reflect your brand. They have a vast library of pre-built templates you can customize, or you can start from scratch. You can easily add text, images, videos, buttons, social links, product blocks, and even dynamic content that changes based on subscriber data. The benefit? You save tons of time creating beautiful, responsive emails that look great on any device, allowing you to focus on your message, not the technicalities. Plus, the professional look builds trust and credibility with your audience. Feature 2, advanced email automation. Now this is where AWeber Plus really starts to shine. Advanced automation. Free plans often give you basic autoresponders, but Plus unlocks powerful workflow capabilities. You can create automated sequences triggered by various actions, like when someone subscribes, clicks a specific link in an email, makes a purchase, or gets a certain tag applied. You can set up welcome series, lead nurturing campaigns, abandoned cart reminders, huge for e-commerce, webinar follow-ups, and so much more. You can use conditional logic, if this, then that, to send hyper-targeted messages based on subscriber behavior or data. The benefit? Automation is your secret weapon for scaling engagement without scaling your workload. It ensures timely, relevant communication, nurtures leads consistently, and frees you up to work on your business, not just in it. This personalization dramatically improves engagement rates. Feature 3. Landing pages and sign-up forms. Growing your email list is paramount, and AWeber Plus gives you the tools to do it effectively. You get an unlimited landing page builder. Yes, unlimited. Again, it's a drag-and-drop interface with great templates for lead magnet delivery, webinar registrations, simple link and bio pages, sales pages, and more. You can easily connect these pages directly to your email lists. Alongside this, you get customizable sign-up forms to embed on your website or share directly. The benefit? You can quickly create high-converting pages to capture leads without needing separate landing page software, saving you money. It streamlines your list growth efforts and ensures a professional presentation for potential subscribers. Feature 4. List management and segmentation. Sending the same email to everyone is a recipe for low engagement. AWeber Plus excels at list management and segmentation. The key here is tagging. You can automatically apply tags to subscribers based on their actions, interests, purchase history, or how they signed up. Think interested in widget A, attended webinar X, clicked discount link. Then you can create dynamic segments based on these tags and other data like location or open history. The benefit? Segmentation allows you to send highly relevant content to specific groups within your list. This drastically increases open rates, click-through rates, conversions, and reduces unsubscribes because people are receiving content they actually care about. It's targeted marketing made easy. Feature 5. Analytics and reporting. Split testing. You can't improve what you don't measure. AWeber Plus provides detailed analytics and reporting. Track key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, bounce rates, subscriber growth over time, and even sales revenue attributed to your emails if you integrate e-commerce. You can see which emails and automations are performing best, understand subscriber behavior, and identify areas for improvement. AWeber Plus also includes split testing capabilities, allowing you to test different subject lines, email content, or send times to see what resonates most with your audience. The benefit? Data-driven decisions. Analytics help you understand what's working and what's not, so you can continuously optimize your campaigns for better results and maximize your ROI. Split testing removes the guesswork. Feature 6. Integrations in e-commerce. AWeber Plus plays well with others. It offers numerous integrations with popular tools like WordPress, Shopify, WooCommerce, PayPal, Zapier, which unlocks thousands more connections, Facebook, lead ads, and many more. It also includes specific e-commerce features allowing you to connect your store, track sales generated from emails, and even tag customers based on purchase behavior, further enhancing segmentation. The benefit? Seamlessly connect AWeber to your existing tech stack, creating a unified workflow and unlocking powerful data synchronization for even smarter marketing. Don't just take my word for it. What are actual users saying about AWeber Plus? Looking across various review platforms and testimonials, several themes emerge consistently. Users frequently praise the ease of use, especially the intuitive drag-and-drop builders for both emails and landing pages, making it accessible even for beginners. The power and simplicity of the automation features are often highlighted as a major time saver and engagement booster. Many users also report strong email deliverability, meaning their emails actually reach the inbox, which is crucial. And AWeber's customer support often receives positive mentions for being responsive and helpful via phone, email, and chat, something incredibly valuable when you need assistance. While no platform is perfect for everyone, the consensus points towards AWeber Plus being a reliable, effective, and user-friendly solution, particularly valued for its blend of robust features and affordability. So, let's wrap this up. Is AWeber Plus worth it for under $20 a month? In my opinion, absolutely if you're a small to medium business owner, a creator, or an entrepreneur who's serious about growing your email list and leveraging email marketing effectively. You're getting a comprehensive suite of tools, powerful automation, unlimited landing pages, robust segmentation, solid analytics, and great deliverability, all wrapped in a user-friendly interface. It solves the core problems of saving time, increasing engagement, growing your audience intelligently, and ultimately driving more business results through email. It strikes a fantastic balance between power and simplicity, without the intimidating price tag of some competitors. If you're ready to ditch the limitations of basic tools and unlock serious email marketing potential without breaking the bank, then AWeber Plus is a very strong contender. Don't forget, you can grow your business with AWeber Plus for less than $20 a month by using the special link I put right at the top of the video description below. Click that link, explore the platform, and see if it feels like the right fit for your growth journey. It's an investment in smarter marketing that can pay dividends quickly. What did you think of this AWeber Plus review? Are you currently using AWeber or considering it? Let me know your biggest email marketing challenge in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more marketing insights and reviews, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.